Alright guys, this is my 2022 Roadking Special, and these are the stock exhaust. I got some shark roads, but these are Vance and Hines. So I'm gonna show you the stock sound of these exhausts. It's a cold start. So I will install those Vance and Hines, and we see you guys soon. I'm not gonna show how to install it because you can find so many other videos how to install it. So see you guys tomorrow. Alright, here we go. I got the Vance and Hines. Let's see, cold start.